Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about a situation that happened yesterday. Now, this lady had came out and was apologizing to her. And this lady had already cursed her out and everything. But then she came back again, cursing out Maxine, telling her all kinds of stuff, allegedly, what to do with her, her grandchild and what she did with her son, and that she's not really basically a mother figure for her son. Now, Maxine is going to tackle this, and she's going to talk about it. She's going to play it as well, because Maxine, she doesn't take to that. She's going to listen to what they have to say. She's going to answer them as well. But she was listening to it and she was saying, listen, man, this person came on to her apologizing, but yet turned around again and started cursing her. She's saying these are the devil, these are demons, because how could someone reach out or, maybe come through social media saying that they're apologizing to you, but yet just a little bit after that, they turn around again and start cursing you out. Now, that's what Maxine is saying. But guys, you would have to go catch the tape to see exactly what is going on here. Because like you, I would like to know more. And for all my lovelies today that are celebrating their birthdays, I just want to wish you a happy, happy birthday today. And I wish you prosperity, love, peace, joy, and happiness. And I want you guys to go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you guys know about it. And for all my lovelies, my new subscribers, my lovelies that are here every single day, I just want to say to you guys, have yourselves a successful and wonderful, wonderful day.
Boy, you and Ashanti must be related, you know, almost are the same last name. Look like how not related, you know. You know, evil. You know, is evil. How can one people, how they evil, sir? How they so evil, people? No, sir. Nobody know for evil, sir. Nobody know for evil, sir. Me tell you, say these are the things where the woman used to do to me. And he used to do the same thing to Dana. He used to do the same thing. I mean, say to her, say to them, say, oh, no, stop it, man, no, can't they tell lie on the woman so. Because if Dana piss, then if Dana piss on the white, then say blue, black, and purple. Then have to add on to it. These are the things. But how no give me the tape where Ashanti just goes off bongo? He look like I delete the tape, Barbisha. He delete the live, you know. The live when just goes off bongo a while ago. Mighty God, that a priceless tape, you know. But no hear them a sitting at the galang, no have to tape them. A priceless sitting them because they not keep them up. Then so shame and embarrass themselves that they can't keep them up. But it's alright. It's alright. You not ever see nothing stay so? Me never see this here yet. Never. This is a woman who come out a couple hours ago and they ask for forgiveness. Want people to forgive her. A Christian woman. And not, you not tell me say a demons depend them? You want tell me say no demons depend them? No, sir. The woman say me fi go do her. For me imagination now run them the kind of wild eh. You know so then shouldn't charge them people here at the same way. Oh, Lauren when come out, you know, and talk about in grandson and Steve, you know. And so she come out here now, you know. Your grandson need help there if you send child protective service at your yard. Because for them are kind of things there where you tell me pan this a tape here. Your imagination they run too wild. Your grandchild is in danger. Your grand picnic in a danger. Me say until you can take out the dick out of your husband body before you can contact to me. No come back out and contact to me. Because I hear the things them what you want me to go do now. Me can't even imagine all in my sleep for the dream them the kind of thing there. Me can't even imagine, not even in my sleep. No sir, uno is a child predators. Uno shouldn't go on the child predators list. No wonder your husband no want you. No wonder your husband not even they look upon you. No wonder your life is so sad and miserable. No wonder. Yeah, man, no wonder. No wonder. May God have mercy upon you, lady. May God have mercy upon you. Because you are going to need it. For a Christian woman, Lord Jesus, no, sir. Me a worldly and me can't take myself to tell people them the kind of thing about them grandpitney them. Me say, me out there in the world. Guys, if you don't see the Facebook cut off, for them cut you off. Anymore you don't see the Facebook cut off, for them cut you off. Yes. Yeah, oh Lord, you they call me long time. What, mommy? Barbisha, comment. Read, please. Which one I comment? Let me see what Barbisha say. 13 in it too. I think she deleted her page. Barbisha say, who? It's still there. Ashanti say no bloggers no safe on the internet except for 99. Ashanti can't do nothing. Make Ashanti go crouching little dirty nasty ass. Make Ashanti go and go crouching little nasty ass. And him no safe. Him better no say him no safe. But nobody no safe on the internet, please. Did she send a picture of her vagina? Yes, me here send picture and pum pum go get Ashanti. Me here send no, that's why Ashanti they mad. One look Ashanti look on that pussy they mad. Me ras ya. One look Ashanti look on the pussy Ashanti mad. But enough him mad. That's why she don't care cocky feelings for me. She no need to carry no cocky feelings for me. She no need to carry no cocky feelings for me, you know. Lie. She not send the pum pum go. I think Ashanti sister, you know. Ashanti send see the pum pum. But knowing Ashanti or Ashanti lie, it no must go so. It no must go so at all. Laugh at me, you know, say me can't tell when somebody no in me, you know. Me can't tell when somebody betray me, you know. Me can't tell when somebody fuck me up, you know. You know, say me can't tell though. Yeah, man, me can't tell, man, because me go on my bed and me dream it, you know. Me dream it. And me say it's okay. Because enough of them, me just give them what they want for hear. Just you watch to see what they go do with it. Me say enough somebody pan ya. Me just give them what they want for hear. Just to see what they go do with it. And they don't know say me sit down the laugh off of them. Them no know say me just sit down the laugh off of them. And they look pan them. And they say, yeah man, as Sophie do no. Nothing no can get nothing from out of me. No sir. What little Ashanti have the play? Why find pan the phone? Yeah man, why find pan the phone? Can me hear him ball out yesterday. Say me bumbo naughty. When he find out who tell me 13 story. When he find out the information was sent to me for 13. Because at the first he must see the seat they know, you know. When he find it, he frightened, say somebody want to know. Of course somebody want to know, but they never want to send it to him. And me didn't send it to. Yeah, of course somebody want to know. But at the phone he going to go find it. But it's alright. Yeah, man, it's alright. Every time them try to cut it, the comments them go up and then it just stuck again. Cause move from Barbisha say Ashanti say no bloggers safe. Move from this so. You just keep being stuck in. But it's alright, Barbisha is alright. Let them go on there. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, man, it's okay. If a mother and a grandmother, a wife, can sit down I saw your comment over there. I think she deleted her page. I saw your comment over there. For real. And them try mix me up. When them like me, all like them. Yeah, go on young. Me a young girl. You notice is not young people in a phone I behave like this. She block you. Who she block? I think she deleted her page. No man, I block anybody who thinks she deleted the page still did it. Let me go look if the page still did it. Let me look if the page still did it. No man, the page still did it, man. The page still did it. I block you. I block you, man. The page still did it. Girl, me I not send out, girl. You can't write nothing and tell me if you go look for it. You crazy? Yeah. Maxine, stop playing victim. Maxine, check the date when the pictures posted. Girl, go with me and not sell out, girl. Girl, I'm going to crack your backside somewhere. Maxine and legendary Lego. Lego me who? Ah, Jesus, me don't know when say me and legendary if stop though. Me not read dance, so me can't go to it. Me not read dance at all. Let me see. Maxine and legendary Lego me no know if a fracky want say no. Oh, in Fractail. Okay. Lego in Fractail, me in run gone. Well, run if you want to run. Please. Nobody no give a fuck. Nobody give one fuck. Nobody give one fuck how far you want to run go. Nobody give one fuck. Nobody don't even care. Me just want notification come up and something. Hold on there. Oh, our Facebook they have issue. That's why. Sorry guys, social media was having a technical difficulty with their live stream. That's why the live ended abruptly. Okay. Yeah, Facebook they have problem. That's why me just they have problem with it a while ago, because I'm wondering what the heck is going on. That's alright. You can't, nothing at all you can do. Nothing, you can't do nothing. Nothing at all. No, if page did it, whoever can see it, I block you. Because she sit down over here, you know. She sit down over here upon her fake page. So that's why you can't see it. She sit down over here upon her fake page. And they watch out the comment them. But you see through the comment them, then they go up much and I go Barbisha comment when really they show. Yeah, half again. So you comment them, don't go up here now. Let me see. Alright, so then start go up again here now. I think she deleted her page. She blocked you. You notice it, right? See, they go up here now. Alright, see, they go up here now. It soon tap again. See, they tap, it tap. It tap here now again. I saw it they do. Facebook, they have a problem. I know me alone. Facebook, they have a problem. I think I went them when they work for cut you off. Because Ashanti now work with Facebook, so he can't cut nothing. Can't cut nothing. Barbisha, they want to see you in a real life. How they go get to see you in a real life, Barbisha? They don't know say you're a natural brown and sexy girl, you know. They don't know that you know, Barbisha. Lord have mercy. The girl sit down over there, they watch up to me super chat. The girl sit down over there, they watch me super chat. Thank God in can't see the Zelle and the Cash App. Sit down over there, they watch you, you know. Me God, can't one set of people stay so. The girl sit down over there watch it. They watch it. No. I never seen nothing like this, yeah. Can one set of people, a demons them, demonic force take over them body. Demonic force take them over. Me no mix with dirty bongo. Barbisha said, you know, mix with dirty bongo. Barbisha boy, me no know they have you out for you, so you know. Me no know how they have you out for you, so. Boy, them a people are something else, though. Them are people are something else. Eh? What was your super chat go to do with her? Me no know what I have to do with her. Every dollar no put pan there she county. Every dollar no put pan there she county. The PhD the man, me see it. The person who said they can't see it a black, she black them. Because she over here they look pan the uno name, you know. She over here they look pan uno name and black uno. Cause me do the same thing. Me when me see enough of them over there, that's why I don't see enough of them over here. Me block them immediately. Cause friend then sit down over there and then talk nothing and them a chat me. And then in the comment they say, boy, not do that or left the baby or not like that. Me block them. Me block them. Yeah man, me block them. Those people are beneath me. Of course they are. Those people are beneath me. They are not in my league. None at all. Exactly. If they now make 100K a year, they not none at all, Barbisha. Barbisha, none at all. Make them know say you know if you come stretch out and or put out no plate. Make them know that. Oh. You make them know that. If they unhappy, laugh at me. If they look here, and I don't lie, you know, just when you have money, you're very unhappy. That is true. When you have money, you are very unhappy. Very, very unhappy. Because I can remember when I used to take trips upon trips and carry all sort of people. Me ain't happy. Me ain't happy. Me happiest time of the last 6 months. The last 6 months, yeah, me happy being broke. Me happy. Me go out, me have fun. Nobody now expect me to do this, expect me to do that. Me go out and if a man they buy me lunch, then buy me lunch. Nobody now expect say, oh, Maxine they go buy them lunch, or Maxine they go buy them car, or Maxine they go buy this. No, they not expect not like that. Me go out and then take care of me. Yes. Nobody now expect say, Lord Jesus, Maxine, they come. And Maxine, no. Everybody not expect nothing from me. No expect nothing. Do not expect anything. Lord of mercy. Me never seen nothing like this from me.